Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded, and it's actually a video on a plugin that I've made myself with the help of an AI. The AI name is actually Codella AI. So I'm actually going to show you the plugin first. It's actually wonderful on how well the plugin was made through the AI. So I'm actually going to make another video on the AI later, so stay tuned for that. But now I'm going to make a video on this. It's actually a wonderful plugin. I think I made a video on this before, so let's just go into the topic. So it's basically a simple plugin where if you're harvesting crops, you actually get an XP drop on the ground, and you can just take the XP in, and you can use that XP to either repair your mending armor or just grind the XP. Now you can just scroll through the whole thing, and you'll notice there's a detail here around such as commands, permissions, and everything. There's even a preview here that you can look into. I'll be showing you the topics now, and do know that it's actually a paid plugin, so it's actually cost like $2.5 or something, or I think it's pounds, so it's very cheap actually. So yeah, let's get into the video. The server right now, and as you can see, I have the plugin loaded. Should be here somewhere. So pretty much, let's just start with the commands. So if you just type hxp, it's going to show the information, the basic information, and you can type hxp help to get all the commands. So right now there are a set of commands, but before that I'm just going to show you the GUI because you actually don't need the commands, but I'll show you that at the end. So let's go through the GUI, and you'll see all the crops that actually exist in this current version. So I'm currently in the version, I think I'm running the latest version, 1.20.6. okay, that's not latest, but that's the version I'm in. So I can just go back to hxp GUI, and let's say I click on carrots because that's what I have here, and here you'll see something called random mode, or you could also switch to single mode. So I'm going to explain that to you. So first, we can also toggle if you want to disable it or enable it. So I've enabled it now, and as you can see, it's in the single mode right now, and you'll get two buttons over here. So basically every time you harvest a crop, it's going to send you this particular value of XP, but you can actually increase it by just clicking over here, and as you can see, it's increasing. But the only difference between the single mode and the random mode is it's actually going to send you XP between the range. So let's say you put this to 5, so 5, and this could be something like 10. So now it's going to send you a random XP between these. So that's actually kind of cool. So you don't have a single stagnant value that keeps dropping. So I mean, that's pretty much up to you whether you want a random value or not. So I mean, let's go test it out. Okay, now I'm going to just make one here. So this might look fast to you because I have the random tick speed at 3000 or something, so don't worry about that. So let me just place the crop, and as you can see, it's completely growing. And I've tried to break a crop which was actually not fully grown, so let me show you. So as you can see, I did not get any XP for that, but now if I try to break this, I got XP. Do you see that? So there's actually support for age growth, so only mature crops get only mature crops give XP. So that's one epic feature. And there's another feature which is world GUI. So it's actually going to work for every world that you have created and actually auto updates. So I'll actually tested this with multiverse core. So instantly after creating the world, it actually added it here, so that's pretty cool. So pretty much there's actually 3 types of blacklist. One is you're not doing any type of blacklist, and one is your whitelisting. So if you do click whitelist, you basically can go to the crop list, and you can choose which crop you wish to add. And once you go back, it's going to show all the crops. One second, I think keep adding. Okay, yeah, so once you've whitelisted it, you can actually like check what are all the crops that you whitelisted. So currently only these 2 crops are whitelisted, and rest of them aren't. So you'll have to like add them if you want them to work in the particular world. So this might be useful in some worlds, maybe if you have restricted a kind of crop. So that's completely up to you. And the same way works with blacklist, so you don't need to worry about that. So that's pretty much how the whole GUI system works for both the worlds. Now you can check the commands. So just go back to hxp help again. So I'll just show you one single crop command. So you can also like, let's say you want to touch wheat seeds. So you can actually enable it or disable it through this boolean value here. Also you can change it to single and random, and you can also change it to minimum and max. That's completely up to you. So you can just put it like 5, and the value just changes. And there's also hxp reload, I believe. So yeah, that's pretty much it overall. You completely don't need to touch the config, but if you wish to check the config, I can show you that as well. So this is pretty much how the config looks. There's like a boolean value. Okay, this is a boolean value for enabling it and disabling it, and if you want to put it to single or random, completely up to you. And there's even integer for single value or random value. And you also have a message for log. So basically, whenever you're accessing the GUI, it's going to show you a message in the console saying that X number of crops have been loaded, which are supported in this version. So I mean, you can test that yourself. That's up to you. You can even check the messages. Okay, let's show you the whitelist first. So as you can see, it's actually updated over here for the world, which I've added pumpkin and bamboo. So you can even check the messages.yml. You can change it, up to you. And I think that's pretty much it. There's nothing really else to show you. That's pretty much how the plugin works. And if you've enjoyed the plugin, make sure to purchase it. And if you've liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more similar content. See you soon.